If you are using Amazon Pay and if you want to check your bank account balance in Amazon Pay, then how can you do that? That I'm going to explain in today's video. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe. Let's start the video. Now, to check your account balance in Amazon Pay, all you need to do is you need to open Amazon application first. On the home page itself, you will find an option of Amazon Pay. If you don't see, you can go in menu and over here, you can select Amazon Pay. Now, once you select Amazon Pay option, you get multiple options over here. You can scan any QR and you can do the payment. You can do bank transfer, you can do mobile recharge, you can pay the bills, and there are much more options over here. Now, there are two types of balance. One is Amazon Pay balance, which you can only use while doing the recharge or bill payment. And you cannot transfer this money from your Amazon Pay balance to your bank account. So here is where you can check your Amazon Pay balance. But if you want to check out the bank account balance in Amazon Pay, for that you need to go in Amazon Pay UPI. So you can just simply select this top side and you can swipe it and you can select Amazon Pay UPI. Once you select that, we are on the main page now. Over here, you can just simply scroll down and here you can check out your linked bank accounts. Now you can see I have added two of my bank account in Amazon Pay. Now, for example, if I want to check balance for my IndusInd bank account, you do get an option of check balance over here. So you can select that option and you can enter your UPI pin and then you can check your balance. So now you can see it is showing the balance for my IndusInd bank. Same thing you can do for your other bank. If you want to check balance for your other bank account, tap on check balance, enter your UPI pin, and then you are good to go. So friends, these are the two ways by which you can simply check your bank balance in Amazon Pay UPI, as well as you can just simply check balance in Amazon Pay. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, you can hit that like button. If you have any question, you can write down in comment section below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will see you all in the next one. Thank you.